Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and I'm not going to be reviewing a plain box, but I'm going to be reviewing this really cool Sunset LED RGB lamp for use as an accent light, but also it's built so that it can be used with filming to give you accent lighting when you're filming, and it'll attach to the top of the camera. Really cool. So let's open the box. This is going to be the unboxing, and so that you can see exactly what it is we're talking about here. Get that off, and here you go. You can see now this is an LED lamp, but this is a sunset lamp, so it's got that dome, so it gives you that round light, and it's RGB, so it's got different colors and blending of colors that you can do. So very, very cool. And you've got you've got all these different color temperatures that you can go between, and you've got your charging, USB-C charging there. You've got your power button. You've got your digital readout here for changing things. You've got a cold shoe mount on either side, so that you can add additional accessories such as a microphone or another light onto this one. Also on the top, you got your controls here. This controls the color, color temperature, and then over here this controls the brightness level. So very, very cool. Let's just take a quick look at what else comes in the box. Of course, you have your instruction manual that'll explain how exactly this works if you need that. You've also got this really cool additional mount here that attaches and can allow you to attach additional things onto it, which is cool. You've got your charging cord. This is your USB Type-C charging cord to charge it up, and you've got this cool little stand that even includes, so if you don't want to attach this to the camera, if you need to attach this to something else in order to do background lighting or something, you can have it separate and just attach it there, because it does have the standard screw mount on the bottom there, as well as it has the shoe mount so that you can attach it to any top of any camera or video camera that has your standard shoe mount. So you get everything you need in the box. Really awesome packaging, and a really cool light that has looks to have all the features that you would want in a light like this for really cool additional accent lighting with that specific sunset round lighting feature to it. And that's everything that comes in the box. That is going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone might be interested in the product, share the video with them. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer as quickly as I can. I will have a full demo and review video coming up, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.